My second resource is Kahoot.com. This website creates a game for your students to play. I use it as a review before we do a quiz or a test, just to give them some quick questions to review what they've learned and help them so they aren't so stressed about it. Um, when you come to the website, it will look like this. You will have to sign up. It's all free though. So you can sign up as a teacher. The students can sign up. Your parents can sign up. You can play it at your work. I've already got an account, so I went ahead and opened that up. You can search by subject area, grade level, or they give you different filters to look for. Like if you want to do it for teachers, or if you're working at a university, you can do that way. I am going ahead and going to go show you how to do a quiz. So I've pulled this first grade math up. This is all about shapes. So on the teacher side of it, you will see all the questions you've created. And there's a spot up here that says My Kahoots, and that's where you'll go to create your own Kahoots. Now I'm just going to show you how to play it, so that you can see what the students would look at. So we're going to go over here and push play. Then it gives you the choice. You can play by yourself, which I feel like, for kindergartners, I'd probably have them play with a group first, maybe just a partner, and then move to one-on-one, um, because you will be able to get your results afterwards of how your students did on these quizzes, which would give you a lot of good information. Um, but I'm going to play one. So I've pulled it up on my phone as well, as you'll see on those, and then you have to sign in. So you have to push in the code 9432824. Then you push enter. Then you have to come up with a nickname so that you know who is playing. So, like for this one, it'll probably be me, um, just be me since I'm the only one playing this one. So then I'm going to go over here and click start, and it's going to load the questions, and it comes up on my screen the same as it is up on this screen. So it says, what is this shape? And then the answers are down at the on the bottom of the screen on the teacher screen, but on my screen it's a full screen. Um, and then after everybody puts in their answers, it'll show you the results of who got what. It doesn't tell you right away who that person is, but at the end and after I click next, it'll show me who it was and who got the points. What my student teacher did when she used this in my kindergarten classroom was she, um, would award prizes at the end of the quiz. Like if somebody had 1,000 points, they got to pick something out of her prize box. If somebody got 2,000 points, maybe they got a prize out of the prize box and free time or something. But it's just a fun way just to answer a question. And depending on the time, depends on how many points you receive. So, like, if I do this and maybe I say it's wrong, because I'm sometimes kindergartners might see that it's blue and go blue, and give the answer and do it wrong, then, then it'll show you who got it wrong, which is kind of nice for everybody to see, just so, but it's also at the same time, like, you don't want to embarrass somebody. So having them put in a nickname is kind of nice too. Um, but it's just a fun way to review concepts, topics, before you do a test, or even just after you've worked on a little bit of work, just for something fun too. So I hope you guys will check that out and see if you like it as well as I do.